The study of nature is a special endeavor of humans since from the dawn of civilizations. Human beings are full of curiosity, and so what is light is also a part of their curiosity. This question has haunted for a long time. Since from the dawn of civilizations, peoples were aware about the light, they were seeing it, they were recognize it, but they want to know what the light is made up of. In Indian civilizations, if you go 300 BC, then at that time Vedas ideas and Upanishad ideas were written, and in that documentary, if a name come, Maharishi Kanada. So Maharishi Kanada has very much focus on what the particle is made up of, and he himself says that particle is made up of atom. In his terms, it is a Parmanu, and when atom combine, it forms molecules. And for light, he also proposed that light is also made up of particle. Light has a particle nature, but a very strange about this property, about the particle property of the light, is the light is made up of particle, but this particle has not a mass. And this statement at that time was a very big statement. No people can believe in this very unexpected statement, but we know today that photon, in terms of photon, light is a massless particles. So how he knows and what were the how the technology was developed at that times, we don't know. Nothing written in the documentary, it's about it. But whatever he written, it is in a very condensed manner, and that was again developed in a very detailed perspective of the Kanad by Pasastrapad in the 14th century. And in the documentary of Pasastrapad, if you see, following are the fact about the light written at that time. Light is made up of a stream of particles. It means light is made up of particles. Light is made up of many particles, and they are going in a straight line from the surfaces. They travel in a straight line, and they have inconceivable speed. They have a very large speeds. They can passes through the interatomic spaces. वो interatomic spaces से पास किए जा सकते थे. हमें पता होता है कि एटम्स के बीच स्पेस होते हैं. इसकी आप हाई क्लासेस में, लोअर क्लासेस में आप इसका एक एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं कि एक पानी ले लें और पानी में नमक डाल दें. तो अगर स्पेस नहीं है तो नमक गया कहाँ? इट मीन्स देयर इज अ स्पेस देयर, और वहाँ पर जाकर नमक बैठ चुका है. सॉल्ट इज देयर. So it was very sure that there is a space between the atoms, and so the light can passes through these interatomic spaces. दो atoms के बीच से क्रॉस करते हुए लाइट पास किया जा सकता है, और यही कॉज होता है कि अगर पूरा लाइट पास कर दिया जाए तो वो ट्रांसपेरेंसी हो जाता है, ट्रांसपेरेंट दिखता है. कभी एटम से टकरा गया, उधर पास नहीं कर पाया, बहुत ज़्यादा पास नहीं कर पाया, तो ये ट्रांसलूसेंट हो जाता है, और अगर पास ही नहीं कर पाया तो फिर ओपेक हो जाता है. तो एंड ही आल्सो स्टेटेड दैट पार्टिकल्स रिबॉन्ड फ्रॉम द एटॉमिक सरफेस. अपने एटॉमिक सरफेस से वो रिबॉन्ड कर जाता है. यस, सो दीज वेर द आइडियाज गिवन बाय Maharishi Kanada, which were translated by Pasastrapad in 14th century. Yes, again in the 14th century, a very big philosopher, Sayan, Sion, it's a very much surprised that he calculated the speed of the light. In his documentary, if you see, it's a documentary from the Rig Veda, it is taken from the Rig Veda, that there is a version of slok where it means the prayer, the person prayer to one who moves 2202 yojans at a half nimis. And if you, this is the unit of distance and this is the unit of time, and if you divide them, you get the speed of light, and that light if you translated in the SI system, you will get very much close to the 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So that's the beauty. That's the beauty of the Indian science in the ancient era. How he knows, how they know, we are not knowing.